keyword distribution. What's that? We can use the keyword distribution from the inside of the tool, or same, we can use it from the Chrome extension. Both. How we can do it, the keyword distribution, you can use the Amazon product research page, and you can use it from the listing detail page. What for is that when you come to SellerSprite, when you come to here, like the product detail page, we are gonna see the Chrome extensions from the SellerSprite, and we are gonna see keyword distribution. Okay, here, is it not small, right? You can see, is it okay? Keyword distribution.
Yeah. I can see it on the left, kind of upper side of the screen. We
Okay.
can see keyword distribution.
Yes, I'm just gonna click here, and we analyze. Okay, you are getting just, I suppose you are getting the 1,000 clicks last month, last 30 days, or different time frame, doesn't matter. Where you are getting those clicks, maybe from sponsor product, maybe from the sponsor product keyword, sponsor video, or maybe different resources. We are gonna analyze and show you where you are getting those impressions and the clicks. For example, basically there are different colors: orange at sponsor product, sponsor video, sponsor brand, and sponsor video. This guy from here, what we understand is that this guy only got from organic. You see this, the orange color meaning organic keyword. And they are getting only orange color and the blue color. Blue color indicates the sponsor product keyword. If you want to understand the ratio, you can just bring your mouse over any of this bar chart. You can understand. For example, totally this guy got over 76,000. Yeah, it doesn't matter any numbers they got, but the ratio you can understand: 92% they got organic, and the 7.44% it's the advertising sponsor product traffic. Maybe I can find. Let's analyze this new product, maybe to understand this new keyword distribution. I just want to show you how it seems they are getting the impression and the click. Generally, we say traffic from sponsor brand, sponsor video, sponsor product, and the organic. It takes a while, sorry guys, because we are pulling all the data, like as in this ASIN, we pull all the data since 2025. Sorry, not 24. We can pull it in 2023 July. Even you can go back as long as the product history, and they understand where they got the traffic. For example, in the years they got the 1/3 of their traffic from sponsor product, and the 2/3 of their from the organic. I hope this okay. This guy we just open now. They are also not using sponsor or sponsor video. They are only using sponsor product and the organic traffic. So probably if we open the, like, let me Dyson. If we open the Dyson, we are gonna see they are using like the branded keyword, or some kind of like video. You see there are different colors. Sponsor brand, you see guys, they are using heavily sponsor brand. They're using, or they have organic traffic. Also, they have sponsor product keyword, and no any sponsor brand video ads. They don't have any sponsor brand video ads, I think. Yeah, heavily from here we understand that they are using heavily this sponsor brand. Sponsor brand keywords in different time frame. If you wanna understand deeply, just you keep your mouse here, and we are gonna now organic traffic 54%, sponsor traffic 4.3%, or you can understand each ratio of each the traffic resource, sponsor product, video, organic, etc. And also you can see change from the previous months. If it's going up or it's going down, you can see in the middle. Sorry, if I move my mouse,
Yes,
it's
okay.
changing, but it's middle column.
Yalchin, and then we can take this
Oh,
ASIN and pull it into the previous PPC tool that we have used. Maybe this will help us to see then which, like if we see that, some products are heavily
yeah,
using like sponsored products, say, and then we can again see exactly which keywords they're using.
yes, yeah, exactly. It's like from one tool you get one part, and the next tool another part, and you will be defining exactly what the keyword generates, what the amount of the clicks and the percentage and the sales, ultimately sales, yeah, etc. And this is the using from the Chrome extension. Same tool you can use as a like keyword distribution. You find a keyword distribution here and put the ASIN, analyze. If you want to analyze last 30 days or different time, you can select from here and search. We are gonna show you keyword numbers. Like they have overall 2,429 keywords. This is the organic. They don't have any Amazon choice keywords. Also, no editorial recommendation or 4+ star. They have high rated for 24 keywords. They are high rated, and the sponsored product they have over 500 keywords. They last 30 days. They don't have any video ads. Sponsored brand keywords. If you want to find out what the keywords are, you just click here, like click this 529, and if you are opening in another tool, it's reverse ASIN. We say reverse ASIN. So you can understand what the tool may. Sometimes there is a kind of update changing. It's reflecting here late, but you can understand. I don't know why there is a, maybe I searched these products here for before. Sorry. No, right. Let's go back and click again. Okay, here we find out the keywords. I messed up somewhere. Let's find out this one. Okay, yeah, there is overall more than 1,000. Yeah, here we have the keywords. All those keywords are this one. You can see on the left side. One by one, you can see those keywords here, okay? If you want to understand what the keywords they are using for those campaigns and those sponsored product keyword, you can find out. You can see their organic rank like 16 position, sponsored product position is 220, or for car vacuums, you can see their position 7 and the sponsored product position is 3. Yeah, it's going to more deep and deep and the keyword level, ASIN level, something like that. If you want to find out what the keywords, how many keywords, here we show it as a illustration, like line paragraph. What the keywords, what kind of keywords, what the percentage. But here it's more depth, like how many keywords, what amount of the keyword, and finally what those keywords are, like sponsor brand, sponsor product, etc. You can go to see exactly what the products, what the keywords are. Like this one, go down and find out all the keywords. Okay, Evan, any question, please? Let me.
Yeah, and then we can also, once we find the keywords, as we saw, there are more filters to filter down that list. So we can narrow down those keywords even, which is cool because again, we can see the organic rank if we only want to see the, top of their organically ranked keywords. So we can, in the filters afterwards, choose like from 1 to 16, like kind of top of page 1, say. That's nice also because then we can see where they're ranking highly, mostly in this area of the exactly what you're showing now in the in the filters of those keywords then. So
Yes.
pretty cool.
Yeah, exactly. If you want to go more deep, you can definitely use some SellerSprite tools and find out exactly like the keyword conversion, ASIN's keyword conversion, like this ASIN conversion rate for this keyword. Yeah, it's just depend how you are familiar with SellerSprite and going deeper, and you can find out whatever the data you are looking for.